Hello, this is Ivan from Loquiz, and today we're going to see the player flow for a Loquiz game or tour with the ticketing. Let's say you have an e-commerce website or you sell Loquiz game through a platform like Viator or TripAdvisor or Groupon. In this way, you will need the single-use tickets. First of all, let's see an example of a game. We just create one tour game from a free template. We'll make a tour using the Gamification tool. So it's a ready-made game, and I won't go into details from this game, but in one of the next video I will, and you will see how does it work to make a tour. And let's just call it the Gamification tool for tickets. Save. And when we go to the games part, the game here is ready. You have a QR code, username and password. But you can't give this as a single use because players can log in as many times as they want. And this may not be ideal if you sell one ticket and then they start to share it with their family or their relative. Instead, we have the tickets that generate unique games. So what we will see, we will just copy paste the name of the game here to find it from the ticket page. The ticket page is here, you can see on the header, and we will generate tickets. Let's put the name of your game. Let's put the username. So the username has to be unique, and this will be input by your player. I recommend something simple that for sure will be unique. For example, Game Paris 75. So just one name plus a short number. And here you can generate a certain number of tickets. You can generate 10, 100. You can generate as much as you want. And this won't change anything from your pricing. The pricing doesn't determine the number of tickets that you can generate. The pricing will be only determined whether tickets were used or not. Here we have the scope. Basically, the scope means the players, the tickets within the same group. For example, within the same result page. I made an article that explained more what's about the scope with the ticketing, and this is in the video description. You can set up a validity, a minimum and maximum validity, and we can change the time. Let's set up it in exactly 1 week from now. So on the 15th of December, because today is the 8th of December, and we can generate. We will generate 10 tickets that are here. The most important part of it, the username and password. You will share this with your players, and each password, as you can see, is unique. These are single-use passwords, single-use tickets, and whenever one input this in the device, it can't be played as a new game from another device. And we will test how does it work like this. Let's do this one, and I will take my device, Loquiz, login. I won't scan QR because we don't have a QR code here. I will input the username and password. As you can see, we are in the Loquiz game that we made previously. Team Ivan. Okay. Welcome to Paris. And here we are with the tour. If you go back here to the ticket page, I refresh, and you can see that the ticket is used. On this page you can see those tickets that are used, so it gives you an idea on who played and who didn't play, despite the fact that they bought the tickets. There is one important thing. If you select here, you can export as CSV, and from the CSV you can use it if you use a no-code solution to automatically send tickets from the purchase to their email. So you can automatically put the username and password in their email. And if you have a developer in your team, there's another way to automatically send username and password. You can use the API. Just show it to your developer and they will understand how does it work. It generates automatically tickets with random password, and then this can be added to the emails that will be sent after someone made a purchase, either from your website or from a platform. And so we saw how the player flow with the tickets. If you have any question, feel free to send me an email at ivan@loquiz.com, and have fun.